Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. I like it easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season.
I am national diploma level 3 years and also a Bachelor of Technology level 4 years. We are yet to include masters in these programs. We do offer diploma as well. So with all these courses we offer, we want to get the people, once you are going through that, you go to Microsoft and now we go on board so that when you are finishing not only the long-term certificate, you so I think that tells us that we are working with things like this. We are just improving. So we know the champions that we expect on our campus to open an aggressive training program for the student population before sitting on unprecedented making job access. But that's time for the leaders. For example, most companies moving onto the cloud bring new job opportunities, and people in the cloud are able to cyber securities and consultants and get a lot of job to do. As an institution of learning, we seek to derive side benefit for our students and staff, and we believe this partnership and vision things. There are acceptance in your systems of two new ambassadors from our premises. As a consequence of this program we are hosting today, is a step in the right direction that again support our vision and for this have to be responsible for your own safety. And then we can enjoy the full round. Please make friends and enjoy the day. I welcome you once again. Feel at home and have a successful program. No need to do the Devfest program, no need to write that time. No need that. Thank you very much for your attention and I wish you
you are very brilliant. You are also entrepreneur. Okay, so university, individual, entrepreneur, so job. So now you can be right. If you are looking for your next, definitely, these people can employ you. Okay, I'm just saying, yes. If you are coming up with your task, actually, sorry? Well, you can talk. A skill can be learned, so you just have to give your requirement. So now we will give you some few minutes to think, so I'm serious. These people can employ you. So you go and talk to them. And in the meantime, the teacher is going to suggest something.
was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. There's once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
The Talent Business System Heaven Bootcamp, where we invited Africans to apply to participate in this bootcamp, which was for 60 days, to get people the necessary skills they need to be employable. We're giving everyone the opportunity to participate, and then we told everyone that we only had space for 100 people. What I love about this program is the number of people who applied. We told them we have 100 slots, but we got application from the 15,000 people who applied for just the 100 slots that we had. We were eventually able to select 300 people, and eventually around 200 people completed the program, and they probably take the certification course, and then we get them matched with employers to get them jobs, right? These employers don't necessarily need to be Google, right? It could be any other company who is trying to hire machine learning. Just like the MC mentioned, if the people from MEST have started their company and are looking for machine learning engineers, in the future, we're training for people to get to that. By the time you're ready, we should be able to have people who have solid knowledge. So, and then finally, so beside all these resources that I shared, which are mostly from Google, we have Dev Library. I love the fact that we're having this event in collaboration with the library here. What we do with the Dev Library is the same thing a traditional library does. The libraries don't write books themselves. They're a store of books. People come to search. For us, we're doing the same thing. The Dev Library is a library with contents by people.
You're welcome so much. I see.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late.
No, someone's
A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my
We're looking right now.
Right now. Sharp.